Azmin, I don't know, because when the bill was tabled, debated and passed, he was sitting in the house. He did not even utter a word.
But you said there was a report, there was a study looking into this the decision, and then he didn't receive any report, and then boom, then there's a decision to have pay rise.
There may not be any written report. What Tan Sri said was this: okay, we study. The study can be, anyway, and you look at, before we table the bill for the remunerations, how many adults, all the adults, almost most of them are talking about it. Raise, we need a pay rise, all led by our Sikin Chan. Everybody talking about pay high. So we say, okay, look, the demand is so obvious, and this is not the first time they talk about it. And in fact, Tan Sri has actually talking about it for some months. It's not a sudden or drastic decision. He talked about it. We are very sure. I'm very sure. So it is not something drastic. Probably drastic to some people, but most of the others know about it. And even the oppositions, none of them utter a word. Look at it this way. If you look at the percentage, it looks very high, 200%, 300%. But you look at the exact figure. Look at the exact figure and look at the workload that our Aduns and MB himself, all the EXCO speakers, we work 7 days a week, and we don't have fixed hour of working. Okay, 2 days as EXCO. There are 2 days in the 5 days working days a week. 2 days we spend from 10 o'clock, we have meeting until 4 o'clock, even skipping our lunch. Every week, these weekly events, we have an EXCO and test. This is the workload that we are suffering. We have to take care of the constituencies. And looking at how much we contribute to our national output, we contribute 25%, which means 25% of the taxes collected by federal government come from the state government. One quarter of the national revenue come from Selangor. That much we have contributed. And at our level, we manage the budget for next year 1.8 billion for the state. And another budget of almost 1.8 billion for all the PBTs, all the local governments, which means we are managing an annual budget of 3.6 billion for both state government and local government. This is one part. Second part, we are also managing the 2.7 billion of reserve. That will come to 6.3 billion we are managing per year. And on top of that, we have to manage GLCs like PKNS, worldwide, all these things, that will come to, for example, PKNS, I was informed, the budget, the whole budget, or the value is about 400 million. That means every year we have to manage easily more than 10 to 12 billions. That is the big sum. That is a big sum. So,
you mean
and before that, I have been finished. So, these are, we manage it, and the Adun provide check and balance. That's why look at the way I have to answer the questions. They check every cent. They check every cent. They not only fight for the people, they fight for the local government. And I have to defend the local government. Why we do this, why we're so careful, why even the application for grant, we give them as loan first. See how you perform, whether you spend the money correctly or not according to what you have applied. We impose so stringent rules on our governance. So look at this and compare to other states. They don't contribute so much. They don't have to manage so much fund. So for us, not only, let me tell you, although our ahli majlis, they are not supposed to work full time, a lot of them are working full time. This is how much effort that we have put in.